But in spite of love that nature gives us in so many ways to release hopelessness, how do we still manage to store it inside and attract disease?
Devkanya, when hopelessness becomes an impression, it gets coded in the cells. This is how we store it, in spite of nature releasing it through various ways, including in sleep. This stored hopelessness, caused by impression, is the trigger for vicious cycle. And you begin to store more than nature is able to release through various ways, including through sleep. When your hopelessness does not become an impression, it remains as a memory in energy field or in your emotional body. Through sleep, it gets released.
Okay. So this means start of vicious cycle is an alarm that we will attract chronic disease.
Yes, Devkanya. Nature has a design. Nothing happens all of a sudden. Neither birth nor death. We know months in advance before birth. And we all know about our death in advance too. Before disease manifests in the body, you have various signs and signals.
But I'm a little confused. How does hopelessness become impression? And when does it not become an impression?